A perfect example of the kind of task that you could use to interface with AI, and I'm going to demonstrate this. So say, for example, some statistical answer that search engine on its own doesn't necessarily give it to you. Let me show you what I mean. Let me quickly share my screen, and I'm going to ask how many stores do top 100 retailers have. And you're not going to get a straight answer, right? You're not going to get top 100 retailers in America have X number of stores. And the best you can do is, find a website that has the answer if you do some calculations. For example, I found NRF. And, if we read through it, there's the list, national top retailers. So we know who they are. Here they are, right? And again, we don't know how many stores collectively they own. And to go through this, if you open, so you can expand all of it, and then you can just copy it, and then you can put it in Excel, and then you can try to calculate these digits, right? Because here, that's the answer. The answer is the sum of all these numbers. And that's kind of the work that is perfect for AI. All right, so I use my Bing as a to chat, and if you have Skype, Skype will have a Bing client right in it. And so, without exposing my contact list, here's my Bing, right? And here, straight in here, we can basically talk to AI and have it do some of this work for us. So first, we want to give this address to it, right? So we're going to copy it. And I found that it's easier to formulate, don't talk to it like you would talk to a human, where you just, hi, can you, Jesus, do this for me. If you start doing this, it's going to say, oh, you're talking too many things at once. Please give me time to respond right there. So you want to slow it down and really formulate everything that you want out of it in a single text like this. I need you to look at this website. No, not like that, even like that. So if you look at this website, right, you'll see that it's a list of top 100 retailers. For example, Walmart is number 1, and it has, and then we're going to tell it 5326. It has 5326, and then I'm going to use this word right here, 2021 US stores. Now you don't have to be exact, with the punctuations and everything I found, but you have to be close enough. So we will say it has stores in US in 2021. And next on the list is, and then we can say, we're just basically establishing a pattern, right, of what we're doing, is Amazon, right? So we're going to say Amazon, and it has, we'll use this number 557 stores in US in 2021. Can you look through all the 100 stores in the list and calculate the total number of stores from this list of top 100 retailers and provide me with that total. So this might work. And then don't type anything else. Just give it time to process and do its work. Sure, I can help you with that. And then it goes on and provides you with the total number of stores from the list of is 64 to 87. I'm calculating this by adding up the number of stores for each retailer on the list. For example, Walmart. And so on. You can see a complete list and the number of stores. Okay. So there it is, 64,000. Let's just ask this again and see if we get a different number. This website contains a list of retailers. All right, so we're just going to change it a little bit. You'll see that it's list. For example, Walmart is number 1 and it has stores in the US. Next on the list is Amazon and it has. Can you look? Can you calculate through all the retailers on the list and calculate the total number of stores from this list? We're not going to talk about top 100 at all. We're just going to say from this list. And provide me with that total. Just want to see if rephrasing it this way changes an answer. So we got 64,287. Let's try it again. So we got again the same thing. All right, so and there you go, there's the answer. So the calculation of all these numbers is 64 to 87. And I think it's taken less time to formulate this paragraph here than to extrapolate all these numbers into an Excel and then calculate, because that's just too many points of failure. But you know, it says that the number is 64,000. So it helps us understand that 100 retailers in the United States as companies own 64,000 physical locations. Cool, right? Okay.